Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. If you want to grow your profile, earn from content, or access professional tools, then this feature is perfect for you. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile option. Next, tap on the three dots beside your name. Scroll down and tap on Turn on Professional Mode. Then, tap on Turn on again to confirm. Now, tap on Next, then again, tap on Next. Choose your default audience and tap Next. Then tap Confirm and continue tapping Next until you reach the final step. If you want to add a frame, fill in the box. If not, just tap Next again. And that's it. Your professional mode is now turned on, and you can go to your dashboard to start using it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.